Abafana bangeza zinsizwa zingetla du 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 du. Abafana bangeza zinsizwa zingetla. Yeah, sanibona la ekhaya. Sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, di kae? Re kaofela. Hi akhona. So ninjani guys? Akuvenzela everyday. Hi Thando. Ninjani guys? Ninjani nenzani? Waningalele emakhaya. Hi Ayanda. Asifuna ukulala emakhaya. How lwethu? Asifuna ukulala emakhaya. Ngifika emakhaya. It's okay, Ninjani Queen of Happiness. It's can you feel it? Yeah, bo. Which one did I want to say? Hi, Mzuzu. Can you please give another? I don't have the power to use some cocoa, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Makoti, sanu yaphazama. Chisma. Sanda ngaretire wena umthakashana osekuzokuphela unyaka manje ngaretire. Katha bye siyabonga. Abafana bangezansi. Guys, kule December la ngizoqala i-career yami yokucula. Ngizo-DJ, ngizocula. Senza yonke into leyo. So nje mangicula emenhlezi nithi yeah, noma ngiyazi ukuthi anikante engayiqondi kahle. Lokho niqhwabile nje izandla, noshaya izandla. Lo nithi yebo yebo. Mangithi yebo 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 yebo. It's the busy. Guys, there's an energy ebusuku. Guys, abantu belokhu buza umkhokho uphelile. Phelings belongs. So ngaphela uyahlola. You step busy. Gibeli step busy. Can't I have two names, Kazimla? Is that illegal? Mkoka's not coming back, guys. I was just posting BTS that I had on my phone. But it's not coming back. Hey guys, welcome to my live. Someone, we're live. You step busy. Gibeli step busy. Hi guys. I just like funny against njani ukuthi ngijoin uku-actor kwi-TV shows. Please watch my video on my highlights acting 101. Thank you. Mendy cannot be a favorite character. Mendy, a character in like TV. So it's either my favorite actor or Kabisili is your favorite character. But the character is what I play. Me in real life, me I'm an actor. Is that when guys your groove? What is that, my match? It's the busy. Gibel is the busy. It's the busy. Gibel is the busy. It's the busy. So I think I have one more episode there. I think so. Guys, I think kube kuyakwazi ukuthi ngiphine. Akekho umuntu ongabhala la ncane ibhale guys ukuthi umkhokha is not coming back. Ngizophinda leyo comment because kade ningibuza umuntu ongena la umbuza ngomkhokha. Umkhokha ubuye. No, like it's the I don't know why this step is in my head, but it's the busy. Gibel is the busy. It's the busy. Gibel is the busy. Guys, ngavela ukuthi ngi-live. From ifoni yami entsha sha. Engithenge cash. iPhone yami endala. It's the busy. Gibel is the busy. It's the busy. Gibela. Sample word. Left headboard is older than my sister. 2001. 7 kanje 6 8 9 angazi kodwa indala le headboard inkosi yami cishe ilingane nami sabona baxolani bengise kancane comment khona ngizophinda i-comment ngoba manje wonke umuntu ngibuza into eyodwa kade ngiyiphendula ngikuphe iyazi ngathi inkulu lento eyishoyo. This is iPhone 13. Do I miss acting? I do. Okay, iPhone 15 Pro Max unayo imali mama ngikuthengele. Lethi imali mina ke nje ngizokuthengela kalula kabi. Uayesta ungideliverele ifoni yami within 24 hours ngisho nje laba ngakushaya. Kushela into enzima kabi. Mhlawumbe wena bangafika even in less than 24 hours. Uthunene ukuchisa. Sawubona game gorgeous. Hayi lo liphakade lami qhubeka nempilo yakho. Qhubeka nje impilo yakho ngeke ube yiphakade lami wena. Ungasaveli ka TV abangiqashi. Kusho ukuthi manje ngisekho good enough. Hi Sifiso. Sabona girl. Angikwazi ukuplana acting industry. Kube ngiyakwazi ukuplana ngabe nami ngihlele ekhaya ngabe ngiyasebenza ngabe ngiya-act. Yeah. It's the busy. Give it is the busy. It's the busy. Oh my gosh, why am I sneezing? Yo guys, in the past week. So many people saw me. Thank you. So many people saw me. Oh my gosh. It's the busy. Gibel is the busy. It's the busy. Guys, I asked, can someone please comment Mkoka Awubuyi so I can pin it? Because every time someone enters this live, and I've been saying it like 100 times, Awubuyi. Tired of answering that question now. Like, join in him. She said, I call one of my producer. Uzofaka ichashaza. Mama, uzoyivina ichashaza nje. Wathi ngizama ukuphin this comment. Yes. Ngiphinile guys, be. Wathi ngibe? Yes, pinned. It's the busy. Gibel is the busy. Thank you, Rato. Love you loads. It's the busy. Gibel. Please post on YouTube. I got a new phone so I can actually start vlogging and doing everything properly because hey, bengi overwhelmed and while your phone. Yasebenza shema ngifuna ngaphakathi. Akazi ukuthi yenziwa ukuthi kuyashisa noma kwenzakalani but sinomkhuba nje ukuthi i-blackout ngiyixofa i-blackout nje ikithi ukungiphozela kancane uye nje ama-iPhone vesana aya-overheat everything ngiphozele kancane nje i-blackout engasaunderstand ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yeah, this is the 13, so that's how I got this new phone. So yeah, and I've cleared it up. And I've cleared it up. Asia, wild. I've cleared this phone up so I can have space to record properly and record with great quality. Sunji, gena we talk. Guys, I love how you guys will be like, why am I getting wish away till? Adult things. You guys are speaking adult things. It's the busy. Gibel is the busy. God is the busy. Sing pina comment yakho. Oba hey mina ngikathena ukuchaza Ngifuna umkhokha guys. Yazi ama officer ka multi choice ase Randburg. Nihambe nje niya Randburg nifina udimanda khona mina. Mina I was just an employee there. Not even an employee. Ngangaqashiwe. Ngangene contracts nje ukuthi ngiyasebenza khona. Yaphela ke contracts baphela kanjalo. Ndiyothini babes? Angiqondi bani yaya. I don't think I'm going. It's too far. It's too far because if I do go to Mount I'll have to drive. And sorry, something happens. Do we want to see on TV? I also want to see myself on TV. However, ngilokho ngi-audition unyaka wonke unini ngi-auditiona guys ngi-auditiona kwaze kwaphela lento le engaphakathi namasete ephaketheni umuntu elokhu i-audition kodwa-ke sobuye sithini khona old school yakhona imoto iyasebenza phela ngoba phela iyasebenza but eyi niyazi nani eyi yahlupha but shema sihambisana nje nkosi yami sathathana sibekane no-school. Oh, it's the busy. Kibel is the busy. Come to Big Brother. Oh no. No, please. No, guys, I'm too anxious and too sensitive for things like Big Brother. I would not survive. And nginama disorders angiwuthanda umsindo. I don't like certain behaviors. So ngile hlobo ngahlala nabantu ngile hlobo umuntu obele ngahlala nje nabantu because umuntu hlalisa nabantu I will not do well because why umunye uzoba ngumsindo why sevuswe ekseni why ungaqoqile yabona yonke leyo nto so do 9 to 5 yeki acting why ungayeki 9 to 5 yakho na babes mina I highly recommend yeki 9 to 5 yakho. I never said I'm not working. I said I'm not acting. So I am working. I'm just not acting. There's a difference. The entertainment industry is very broad. It's very large. There's many opportunities inside of there. You just have to create them and explore them. So mina, ngiyasebenza. However, uku-acta nje kubhedile this whole year for mina. But ukusebenza kona yebo. Ingakho ngikwazela ukuthenga ifoni yami le engilive ngayo. Anyway, I stay busy. Give it is the busy. I am Xhosa, guys. Kade ngangichaza. Was uGabs ever your first acting role? Yes, it was. Booyah. Guys, I've been explaining. I cannot employ myself. Kumele bangiqashe ngiya-audition. Kade ngi-audition this whole year. I've been auditioning. But bangithatha. Ama-tips ami akwi-video ebhalwe Acting 101. Check my playlist. Does TikTok pay me? No, it does not pay me. TikTok does not pay South Africans. Actually, TikTok does not pay Africans. We don't get paid by TikTok. The only thing that pays South Africans is Facebook and YouTube. Otherwise, nje kubi. Esihlungu sikhuluma ngoba ngihlala KZN. Because the first what about Meet the Kumalos? What about Meet the Kumalos? It means it's not my first. It means by the time I was on Meet the Kumalos, I had already acted on Umkok. Do you see that? Is it linking? It's the busy. Give her Dolly. I don't want to. Thank you though. Hi, it's the busy. Kibel is the busy. Thank you. Danko. It's the busy. Guys, actually, oh my gosh. Oh. Guys, I got this thing from Temu. For my charger, so basically it protects the whole cable. So this is the actual cable. Yes, oh, because I'm getting I said puppet. Look, what's this? Regular time is connected to my power bank. So mang logo keep something. That's why logi. So I got this from Temu. So this is like a wrap around thing where you have to wrap the whole thing around the cable to protect it to logo ibenda or kume. So ngiyapluga guys, it was very cheap. Good thing. It was very, very cheap. Also protect a cable la. So that we are supposed to take a cable yako Hhayi ke ukuthi manje sokhipha u-600 uthenge i-cable then ilokhu malana or yabo engathi angintshela izinto. It even came with a protector for the head, which I think is very cute, but very unnecessary. Got ngifakile because it cute ngoba ngithanda pink. But yeah. Engathi angintshela izinto yabo. This is like the complete set. Cute stuff. Anyway, it's still busy. Gibel is still busy. It's still busy. Gibel is still busy. It's still busy. Gibel is still busy. It's still busy. Gibela somewhere. It's still busy. Gibel is still busy. Still busy. Gibel. Guys, things are sharing because this life is overstimulating me in the sense that people are asking the same question all over again, and I've answered it 100 times, and I'm not willing to answer it anymore. Oh my gosh. Oh, my sinuses are also doing their own thing. Thank you. Hi. Hey, someone, guys. Welcome to my live. Welcome. I've been saying the 100th time. I feel like this is the last time I'm saying it. So can someone please comment? Can someone please do me that? Because like 100 people are coming in and asking me that, and they're asking me 100 times, and I'm just like, njengoba uhambile awubuyi guys, wagcina ngoFebruary 2025 awubuyi uhambile. So who said I stay in Durban? Brave for future assume that. Anyway, guys, hi. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Oh my god. Oh, I need my Adderjects. Because why is my eye itchy? Also, why does the pinned comment only staying bad for like a minute? Like, what? Because now I kept pinning comments and they just go away after a minute. Which is insane because I didn't pin it because I wanted to go after a minute. No, I don't. Thank you. Oh, guys. I want to put... Oh, it went away. Yo, guys. My eyes are so itchy. Like, they are so itchy. I'm not going to... It's probably my sinuses. Hi. Amagameni amanye guys akafundeki yazi. No nje guys manibona imibuzo ngomkhokha lokho niyiphendula nje lowo ngiphinile. I don't live in the Eastern Cape though. No, I don't. Hey guys, hey. I don't have numbers. Ooh. The only numbers I have are account numbers. Do you want that? But I prefer a cash send. Ooh. Guys, my sinuses, I'm peaking because baba yonke into manje. No, angizeli. It's my eyes are itchy. I want to jump about even my head is itchy because of sinuses. Where are my sinus poles? Yeah, boy. what I needed. Allergics. These are non-drowsies, so that's why they're white. It's the busy. Email is the busy. Ilenyaza bengiclean izolo and I had long nails. Oh, walimala kabuhlungu kanjani. Bebekade ngiyopha. Correct. Bebekade ngiyopha bekuwusizi, so that's why ngifake iplaster, because manje inkinga ukuthi kuphakame nenyama and angazi make it njani. I don't know if it's gonna grow or kuzophola or what's gonna happen. And manje inkinga I need to go do my nails again. I don't know how I'm gonna soak this off, because manje yabo kusakhona lokho. I don't know how they're gonna soak this off, because ngilimele. Thank you, Musa. You're my favorite person right now. Why ngizondelani? Oh, ngizonda ungangazi. I don't know. Usho yaphela. Uzoriphisa kanjani show engekho mama? Iriphisa kanjani show engekho engadlali? Ayidlali ndawo. So ongitshene mina ukuthi riphisa kanjani. Ngengixoxolo kuwena. Hi, it's Debbie. Gibel is Debbie. Hi guys, welcome to my live. It's just that my eyes are itchy. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Thinking all my sinus. I'm so warm, my sinus in the like, yeah, so like I'm from my sinus. Oh, guys. Yeah, nah. But I think I was just coming into chicken. Yeah, and on check and like TikTok. Welcome my new followers. I've had a big amount of following since I posted Mkoka BTS. So thank you guys for joining my family. Kunzima unganwayi. Oh yo. Kunzima unganwayi. I'm an Orlando Pirates fan. Like, what do you even mean? Why would I support a team that's not number one on the log? That didn't win the Black Label Cup, didn't win the MTN8. Like, does that make sense to you? Does that make sense to you? No support and she team guys coming up in a winning my cup. I don't get it. Oh, get. Guys, I mean, I get back as Myamas in kind. Oh, close my eyes. Hi guys, welcome to my live. I think things went lunch. I was just here to check on you guys and to welcome my new followers. Thank you guys so much for joining my TikTok family. Hope you have fun. Hope you don't leave. And most of all, making a page content, please do interact. Please like, comment, follow, share. Like, do the most. And I'll be really grateful. And I try to like interact with my people with my posts, but obviously sometimes but I really try. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be coming back soon. That's how I got 2 phones now. I'll be coming back soon to my YouTube channel. But otherwise, I'll be vlogging for y'all as much as I can this December. See everything under the sun. Another thing, guys. Drum roll, please. Thank you so much on the Vodacom as a content creator. So if it's a Vodacom event, then you can expect to go to corner. So guys, please be on the lookout for Untobazane. Right? Thank you so much. Thank you. But yeah, guys, akukho okuningi nje bengizokwenza la kule live. Ngaphandle nje kokuthi ngini-check ukuthi righty and all of that. But thank you so much for the congratulations. Yo, guys, I'm so happy. Like, this is a big deal. Ukuthi nje mani ibona uVodacom eKZN. Ithuba lokuthi nje libone mina lizobe likhona. Yabona yonto. So yeah. Guys, looking back to how this year started, yo, guys, nisaphumula ngigowa, uschool egula, my graduation not going well, ngingasebenzi, and I was just going through it, and now ama campaigns one to the other. Yabona nje yonke leyo nto. Umuntu right, uNkulunkulu came through. Uschool noma ngihlupha here and there, but I mean siyaphusha no school, yabo, kunjalo nje. So yeah, guys, so if you're going through a lot, please trust me, kuzolunga. God's timing. It's not going to be your timing, but it's going to be God's timing. Okay, my lovelies. Yebo. Injalo nje. Yebo. Ah, you step busy. Gibeli step busy. I don't know who's up to step busy. I think bengihlele TikTok enelingoma before ngene live because wow. And uNkulunkulu came through. Oh, uNkulunkulu uthe nje ngengane yami. Ngeke ngivume. Angazi ngoba bengithi ngizoyiqala kodwa ke. Anyway, guys, bye. Athi nginishiye. Need be right. Oh my gosh, this is how I look. Yeah. It's still so itchy, but I think the itchiness should die down soon. Because I'm allergics. Yeah. Bye, guys.